Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Google Pay subscription. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are paying about like $7.20 for their Google Pay subscription and no longer want to use it. How do you actually go ahead and cancel that subscription? Now here what you're going to do is at first you're going to log onto your email, and then you're going to click on the upper right hand corner. And right now this is blurred, but right over here, you're going to see this button that says Admin Console. Okay, so you want to click on Admin Console. Next, it's actually going to redirect you to log back in. So just relog back in. Now, once you're logged back in, on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on Billing and then click on Subscriptions. So next, when you're logged in, you want to go into the left-hand side, then click on Billing, and then a toggle menu is going to appear, and then click on Buy or Upgrade. So from here, you're going to go on the left-hand side and then click on Billing, which is a toggle menu, and then click on Subscriptions. Next, you're going to click on your current subscription, which is this one here, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says Cancel Subscription. So right here, you can see that I'm paying $7.20 for my Google Pay. So you're just going to click on Cancel Subscription, and then afterwards, just choose the reason why you're leaving and then click on Continue. And afterwards, you're just going to go ahead and check box this mark, and then enter your email here and then click on Cancel My Subscription. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel Google Pay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.